Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have for exercise like on purpose. If x squared plus 2x plus 5 is a factor of a power 4 plus ax squared plus b, find the values of a plus b. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now let's spend my time. We go to the solution together. Then we have this is a factors out this equals impression. And so the we see is the 4 degrees and the second degree. So the second degrees it will be multiplied with one's impression that have second degree the same. So I can write this h power 4 and plus a h squared plus b is equal h squared plus 2h and plus 5 and multiply h squared plus ch and plus d. You know why is I write is this one? We see this is 1. So we have this 1. So this is will be this 1. And 1 multiply 1, we get 1. Okay, now this. I multiply is in. So I get h power 4. And this plus c h and power 3. And plus the h squared. This I get plus 2 h power 3. And plus 2c h squared and plus 2 h dh and this we get plus 5h squared and plus 5ch and plus 5d. Okay, now from this is equal this I get h power 4 and plus this c plus 2 and multiply h power 3 and this h squared I get plus this we get this and plus 2c and plus 5 and multiply h squared and this we get equal plus 5ch and now in the end this is 2d8 sorry this 2d8 and plus this we get plus 2d and multiply 8 and the end is a plus 5d. Okay, now this we get this equals 0, c plus 2 equals 0 and this d plus 2c and plus 5 is equals this a and 5c plus 2d is equal 0 and 5d is equal b. And now we get c is equal minus 2 and this we get a is equal this we replace by minus 2 so minus 2 and multiply 2 we get minus 4 and 5 minus 4 we get 1 equal d plus 1 and this c we replace by minus 2 so we get minus 10 and we change we get 10 and 10 divided by 2 we get 5 so this is equal 5 and this we get the values of b's we get 5 b's is equal 5 and multiply 5 we get 25 and this we get a is equal 6 And now we get the values of a plus b. So we get a plus b is equal 25 and plus 6 equals 31. So thus a plus b is equal 31. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.